Alright, so there was this guy who was trying to kill this lady. So I hog-tied him and thought the best punishment was to put him on the railroad tracks. Oh no, the train's coming. Hey, look at him, right there. Hey, uh-oh, what can I do? I'm tied up. That is the sound of your approaching doom. Oh no. Oh, what? Dude. Dude, what happened? Where'd he go? Where'd he go? Oh, there's that dude working. But where's my dude? Where'd he go? Where'd he go? Where'd he end up? What the hell? Oh, there he is. Dude, he survived. Hey, buddy. How you doing down there? I'm just hanging out. Probably shouldn't put it right where the train stops. Oh no! Oh, he's going away. See ya. See ya, buddy. Oh, that's even worse than getting run over. He's stuck in there. Come on, don't leave me. Oh, dude, what? That was anticlimactic.